Hey, how you doing? Pat here, kind of lost in Missouri right now, but getting ready to ride a 155 mile, roughly speaking, track that I found on gravelmaps.com. I will have a link to that particular site and map and the creator, because I don't remember the name, in the description below if you would like to see that. I will also have a pinned first comment of this route the way I rode it, because I know I'm not going to be 100% perfect with this route. I have some other stops planned, but I am experimenting with the Rever app today using the follow the line feature, which is like the track feature on a Garmin Zumo product. Alright, here we go, getting on the dirt for the first time today, and looks like following this track is going to be a little difficult. Let me get here in the right mode. Alright, we're enduro mode. We're on gravel. It's overcast. It's cool. I have no particular place to go, so to speak. No time frame, no limit. Life is good. Except I have worn tires. I think that could be the only negative said. My Dunlop missions are nearing the end of their life. This will be the last road trip they're on. Nice view. This is why I do this. You get off the beaten path, you get to see the cool views. Oh, that is frickin' cool. Wow. Not the best bridge in the world. I chose to ride this center track because of these gaps could grab a tire, but wow. Look at all these bent over nails. That is kind of dangerous, I think. You see people been driving down there. Yeah, I'd say this bridge has seen better days, but this is still a cool bridge. These roads have been very loose. Unlike yesterday, it was really fast gravel. Kind of hard to ride right. What the heck is this guy doing? At least he stopped. Saw an old rail bridge. Check that crap out. Well, it's not a walking bridge by the looks of things. That's cool. Well, here's another road I can tell the grader has been down very recently. Might even been just today. You can see the tire tracks. There's spots in the gravel where it's completely bald, and then like right now it's really loose. And there he is. I tell you what, without the GPX file, some of these roads are so small that you'll blow right by them. Oh, road closed. Alright, well, looks like we go down here to TT, make a right, and we get back on track. Oh, it's a nice break. I needed it. Oh, tell me this isn't going to be private property. Or is this just a 2-lane? I mean, I'm going to make a left up here. Well, no, looks legit. Just another sketchy bridge. Okay. I think we're crossing the Missouri right now. Let's see what the sign says. Yep, Missouri. Ah, too bad there wouldn't be a train up there. If it's even used anymore. But that is frickin' awesome. Missouri River. Train bridge. So cool. Finally found a town. They have been very, very sparse on this route so far. Yeah, that's awesome. Boone's Lick Historic Site, 10 miles. Oh, cool. Check out the train. Stump Island Park. Lewis and Clark Trail. There's actually some hopper cars up there. Must be servicing these elevators. Yep. Oops, I'm off the path right now because I was gawking. Alright, welcome to historic Booneville. Wow, talk about no warning, Batman. Just kind of cruising along, going past the Booneville prison there, and boom! Went from paved to gravel. Alrighty then. Well, it's been a while since we've been on gravel. That was a pretty long paved section back there. I know you can't tell it, but when I zoom out here, we're kind of parallel in the Missouri River right now. I'd say I've kind of gotten off the beaten path. Wow, can't see, it's dark. But I'm not even wearing sunglasses. Dumb dog. Oh, great. Yeah, you don't want to do this if it's fresh rained or really wet, because this would be a mess. I mean, it's really dry right now and it's okay, but you can see where at times in the past people have got it rutted up from being really soft and muddy. Well, that road went from chip and seal to gravel again, just like before, with no warning. So, be careful. Well, it's getting kind of soft back here, even though the rivers are completely dry. You know, a train would be nice right now.
Alright, at this point in the trip, I was starting to get pretty darn tired. I kind of pulled off the edge of the road there at the little scenic overlook, and decided to look at the map and noticed Columbia, Missouri was real close by, so I headed over to the old Comfort Inn and spent the night. And we'll pick up the video where I left off, and hope you like this. If you would, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, mash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.